Good afternoon, batchmates. I'm truly honored and excited to stand before all of you today. Representing of the most unforgettable section of our batch, of course, I'm talking about none other than Singkit Tupas! Yay! So when we hear Tupas, a flood of memories comes rushing in. From manghiram og papel og ballpen kay mag-quiz pinakalit silang ma'am og si sir. Oh, tinuod jud na way uli-uli. Mga sungugan nga mga boys. Sa amo ang mga girls. Oh, chikahan, chismisan about sa mga fan nga artista. Panahon nilang Sharon Cunita ug ni Maricel Soriano. Tama? Yay! So, napajud. Sungog-sungog, tapil-tapil, crush-crush. Ay, ambot na lang. Okay. Ang mga jokes sa among room or section, nga kami radyo'y nakasabot. And also, the unforgettable moments of bonding during intramurals and retreats. Kaya nung doon mo sa intramurals na sa una nga, this song is dedicated to from him. Yay! Tama, mali! Tama! Kusog kayo, narara diri na pita. Wako'y labot ha. Tupas wasn't just a section. It was a family. Holy Cross of Bansalan College gave us so much more than academics. It gave us friendships and have stood the test of time. Lessons that shape who we are today, and the memories that we still carry in our hearts. Today is the celebration, not just the year gone by, but the journey we'd all taken since leaving those hallways behind. Let's laugh, reconnect, and most of all, let's celebrate the bond that still unites us. Batchmates, ladies and gentlemen, once a Tupas, always a Tupas. Let's make today count. Daghang salamat and enjoy the day, everyone.
The batch that made us all united. Maraming salamat, Tita Gingging. Okay. Diyan lang sa naiyay. Buta na ito, diyan na Tita. Now, let's have another section from this batch. Batch 84, section Turquoise.